A battlefield, a giant warrior, and one boy who dared to fight against all odds. This is the ultimate underdog battle, David versus Goliath showdown. Meet Goliath, a towering, heavily armored warrior standing over 9 feet tall. He's challenging Israel's army, mocking their god. With every roar, "Send out your champion!" Fear ripples through the Israelite camp. Warriors tremble, unsure of their fate. Just a young shepherd with nothing but a staff and a sling. He steps forward with unwavering faith. The tension is electric. David tells the king, "Don't let anyone lose heart. I'll fight him." Despite the odds, his courage is unshakable. Goliath laughs in disdain, towering over the boy. David stands firm, declaring, "You come against me with sword and spear, but I come against you in the name of the Lord." The energy is palpable, the intensity through the roof. David loads a single smooth stone into his sling. The stone strikes Goliath's forehead, sending shockwaves across the battlefield. The giant stumbles, falls, and crashes to the ground. The realization that victory belongs to God. David stands victorious over the fallen giant. What giants are you facing in your life? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic biblical stories.